Google just unveiled an AI tool for teachers in India that could redefine the future of education. It's called ATL Sathi, a new Gemini-powered AI assistant developed in partnership with the Atal Innovation Mission, NITI Aayog, with the goal of making STEM education more engaging, practical, and accessible. To do this, Google is building on the existing network of 10,000 ATL Tinkering Labs across the country. These innovation labs, established under the Atal Innovation Mission, are set up in schools where students don't just study science. They build things. From robots and AI models to electronics, coding, and hands-on engineering projects, these labs encourage students to solve real-world problems through innovation. Now, Google wants to make these labs even more effective. Unlike a general AI chatbot, ATL Sathi is trained specifically on the Atal Tinkering Labs curriculum. It acts as an AI teaching assistant, helping educators prepare and deliver better STEM lessons. With ATL Sathi, teachers can plan STEM and AI lessons, suggest hands-on experiments and innovation projects, generate quizzes and classroom activities, explain complex concepts in simple language, adapt lessons for different age groups and learning levels, reduce preparation time, allowing them to focus more on teaching and mentoring students. Beyond ATL Sathi, Google DeepMind is also working with institutions across India to expand AI research foundations. It has partnered with NASSCOM, FutureSkills Prime, and IISc Bengaluru to make AI education more accessible to learners and developers across the country. By combining India's nationwide innovation ecosystem with Gemini AI, Google isn't just launching another AI product. It's investing in the people who shape the next generation of innovators, teachers. Because sometimes, empowering one teacher can inspire thousands of students.